Right, we're here today starting another driveway. I think it's about 30 square meters. We're going to start off by digging all the concrete out. We're going to be digging the base up by 260 mil, so 260 millimeters off finish level. That's 150 mil scalps, 50 mil 6 mil to dust, and then 60 mil blocks. Obviously using a digger to dig up the concrete and the breaker. Let's get into it. Back, we're doing a little daily vlogs on this week on this driveway. We are gonna just post a video every day. We want to try to get above 1,000 subscribers, so please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Yeah, just trying to get this above 1,000. So anyway, in this video we have, as you can see, we have literally just used a little mini digger 008 to break up, well, actually lift the concrete. Then I got a sledgehammer and smashed that, broke it up into big chunks. Bit of a difference in comparison to using the 5-ton digger the other week or the 1.5 digger, because I literally couldn't even pick up like a chunk of concrete to put it on the back of the van. Good, but it was just painfully slow. So as you can see in the video, I just loaded up the concrete by hand. It was a good workout. But yeah, so that was today. Got the concrete gone. We're going to be obviously scraping out the rest of the area, making sure that it's all down to depth. 150 mil sub base, 50 mil 6 mil to dust, 60 mil blocks. We'll then get our edging in. But yeah, like I say, daily vlogs, so we'll keep you updated. Next video will be posted tomorrow. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks a lot. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.